Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought we would do a lip swatch. I was looking at my collection like usual and I was like, you know what, I can do a lip swatch for these ones. They're basically the Maybelline Ultimatte Slim lipsticks. You guys know I did a first impression review like years ago. It's still on my channel. If you guys want to see it, I'll try to link it down below for you guys so you guys can see my first impressions. Obviously I still love them because I'm still using them. I actually went ahead and bought two more not too long ago. And yeah, so I thought I would do like a lip swatch. Honestly, I don't think they're gonna come out with more colors, but I would just thought like usual, like, you know, I have a different skin tone. You might want to know what it looks like on on someone that's around my skin tone, and with lip liner, without lip liner, how it swatches, how buttery it is and everything. So I thought I would do a lip swatch for you guys so it's easy to access and like just a video that's easy to access for you guys. And yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. So like in my other videos, what I'm gonna do a swatch on my hands so you guys can see how it slides and the color payoff. And I'm gonna do a lip swatch on my lips, obviously one without lip liner and one with lip liner. Obviously I'm gonna use the same lip liner for all my shades because I always use like some kind of a brown shade. I'm going to use the Colourpop BFF4 this time. Usually I use Control, but lately I've been loving BFF4 because it's like darker. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do today. You guys will see. And that's all I have to say. Honestly, it's just a lip swatch. I have a first impression, like I said. I'll link it down below for you guys. If I forget, just don't forget to tell me. And yeah, let's just get started.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. It was just a lip swatch for you guys, so you guys can get a reference for what it looks like on my skin tone, how it glides on the lips, how it looks with a lip liner and without one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know they're pretty short, but I think they're so useful, honestly. Sometimes when I'm like shopping around, I need to see what it looks like before I buy something. So I'm always like looking for swatches videos, so I thought it would be helpful for you guys. Let me know down below if you have any comments. Thank you to everybody who's been subscribing to my channel lately. If you want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe. And also just thank you in general. Honestly, I've been having a blast lately, like filming videos. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.